Hey everybody, I'm Casey Hollins and it's time for Word on the Web. Canada's Olympic orientation camp kicked off recently, and one of the big concerns surrounding the team is how they'll adjust to larger international-sized rinks. But due to high insurance costs, the players couldn't actually lace up their skates. The solution? Have them run drills on the floor with a ball. That's right, have them play ball hockey. This prompted more than a few Twitter jokes. Eric Francis wrote, "Every Canadian kid's dream, doorbell rings, and this team is outside asking if you'll play ball hockey with them. A fantasy, to say the least." Angry Toronto fan tweeted, "So does the ball hockey community now start lobbying for ball hockey to be in the Summer Olympics?" That's a good question. Ryan tweeted, "You can get hurt playing ball hockey too. It's risky. Team Canada should have busted out the shuffleboard." And Steve tweeted, "So Team Canada played ball hockey yesterday. The U.S. team had meetings and speeches from Navy SEALs, and the Jets' Blake Wheeler says that he'd argue that they're ahead." I think everyone is just not giving ball hockey a fair shake here. Moving right along, because she got a taste of what it's like for everyone to be talking about her like she's breaking news, Miley Cyrus is apparently doing all she can to stay in the headlines. What on earth has she done to this poor Michael Jordan jersey in this Instagram photo? Twerk and grind all over Robin Thicke and a foam finger all you want, Miley? That is taking it too far. Lastly, this one little tweet could be of major significance for Leafs fans. Chris Johnston from Sportsnet tweeted, "Phil Kessel says the Leafs haven't talked about a contract extension with his camp. He doesn't want to negotiate during the season." When players are saying in August that they don't want to negotiate during the season, it's usually a sign that they're not real invested in sticking around. It's just speculation. Kessel is set to become an unrestricted free agent at the end of the 2013-2014 season. That's all for Word on the Web, but check back tomorrow to find out what you need to know.